Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share something truly amazing with you, oregano oil. You might know oregano as that tasty herb you sprinkle on your pizza, but did you know that its oil has some serious health benefits? Let's dive into what oregano oil is, its benefits, and how you can use it to boost your health. First off, what exactly is oregano oil? Oregano oil is extracted from the leaves and flowers of the oregano plant. It's packed with powerful compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which are responsible for its potent health properties. This isn't just folk medicine. There's real science backing up its benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of oregano oil is its ability to fight off infections. It's a natural antimicrobial, which means it can help kill bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. If you're dealing with a minor cut or scrape, a diluted drop of oregano oil might just help prevent infection. But remember, it's super strong, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Feeling under the weather? Oregano oil can boost your immune system too. Its antiviral properties make it a great natural remedy for colds and flu. Some people even use it as a natural antibiotic when they're feeling sick. Just a few drops in a glass of water or juice can make a big difference. But always consult your healthcare provider before using it as a treatment. Now let's talk about digestion. If you suffer from bloating, gas, or indigestion, oregano oil might be your new best friend. It helps balance the bacteria in your gut, promoting healthy digestion and reducing those uncomfortable symptoms. You can take it in capsule form or add a drop to your food. Speaking of food, did you know oregano oil can also be used as a natural food preservative? Its antimicrobial properties help keep food fresh longer, which is perfect if you're trying to avoid artificial preservatives. Just add a drop to your salad dressings or marinades. Skin problems? Oregano oil can help with that too. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties make it an excellent treatment for issues like athlete's foot, acne, and even dandruff. Again, always dilute it before applying it to your skin to avoid irritation. So how can you get started with oregano oil? You can find it in health stores, online, or even make your own if you're feeling adventurous. Just remember to choose a high-quality oil that's 100% pure and organic for the best results. Alright, that's a wrap on the wonders of oregano oil. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or keep your skin healthy, this natural powerhouse has got you covered. Give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching and take care.